What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to slide in Battlefield 6. The first thing you should do is check your settings so everything works the way you expect. Go into the gameplay menu and scroll down until you find the option called double tap crouch for sprint slide. If this is turned on, you'll need to double tap your crouch button to slide. If it is turned off, one tap is enough to start the slide. If you are playing on mouse and keyboard, you can also set up a specific keybind for sliding. Just go to mouse and keyboard, open the infantry control section and scroll down a bit. You'll see the dedicated slide option there, which lets you choose a separate key if you prefer having more control. Now once you're in the game, sliding is pretty simple. Start sprinting and when you are ready to slide, press your crouch key. For me, that's just tapping C twice. That immediately puts you into a slide. If you assign a dedicated slide key, you can press that instead, which helps you avoid ending up fully crouched after the slide. Try it out a few times to get used to the timing and you'll slide smoothly in no time. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.